Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm going to try to do some work here to the 89. If you take a look at the bumper here, you see it's all the trim is fading away. What was once a nice, shiny, glorious black is now faded to like a dull gray. And it's looking pretty bad, especially on the front bumper here. Come around to the sides, not quite as bad. The front, it's pretty bad. While I'm at it, I'm going to replace this molding tape. I've got some new tape, so I can peel this right off of here, clean that up a little bit, put some new molding tape on here. Hopefully that makes it look a little bit better. But the first thing we ought to do is get the car out of the sun, take it over there into the shade. It's kind of intermittent clouds today. It's really sunny and then it's cloudy. It fades in and out. Let's go ahead, move this car, get it out of the sun. There we go. Look at that. Okay, I got too many cars. Easy does it. There we go. There goes a Geo Metro. Somebody's been cruising around in the Geo Metro quite a bit lately. You don't see too many of those cars anymore. Geo Metro. Here we go. Let's just pull up underneath of this tree into the shade. See what we can do. There we go. Come on over here with me. Okay, so I've got this black stuff. It's a black trim restore. It's a dye is what this stuff is. And I'm going to try to dye this front bumper. See how it looks. Now that I'm pulled up into the shade over here, underneath this tree, let's get started, see what we can do with this bumper. And here's my end result. Now that black stuff trim dye, I'm not too happy with it at all. As you can see, I've got a lot of streaking and smudging in here. But the pinstripe turned out really well. It wasn't too difficult to put on. Taking off the old pinstripe was the hardest part. I messed up a little bit right there. But other than that, Looks pretty good. If you're going to do something like this, if you're thinking about replacing this pinstripe, you should invest in just a little. I got all kinds of little precision knife set here. A Hyper Tough, it was pretty cheap. Got it at Walmart. Comes in handy when you're doing small, delicate work like this. But didn't turn out too bad. I just wish the black stuff dye would have turned out better. Might try to do something else with that in the future. I might just get some black paint and go over that like I did with the side mirrors. So the side mirrors turned out pretty nice, and that is a trim paint. This is a trim dye. I think maybe the paint would have turned out a little bit better. But anyway, that's what I got going on with the 89 CSX. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, of course. Leave a comment if you want to. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Appreciate it. Thank you much. See ya.